This is the train to Journal Square. Making stops at 23rd Street, 14th Street, 9th Street, Christopher Street, Hoboken, Newport, Grove Street, and Journal Square. The next stop is 23rd Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
This stop is 23rd Street. This is the train to Journal Square. The next stop is 14th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
This stop is 14th Street. This is the train to Journal Square. The next stop is 9th Street. This stop is 9th Street. This is the train to Journal Square. The next stop is Christopher Street. This stop is Christopher Street. This is the train to Journal Square. The next stop is Hoboken.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
This stop is Hoboken. This is the train to Journal Square. The next stop is Newport. Make connections to the World Trade Center at Grove Street. This stop is Newport. This is the train to Journal Square. The next stop is Grove Street. Change there for the train to World Trade Center. This stop is Grove Street. Change here for the train to World Trade Center. This is the train to Journal Square. The next and last stop is Journal Square. Change there for the train to Harrison and Newark Penn Station.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
This stop is Journal Square. Change here for the train to Harrison and Newark Penn Station.
This is the last stop for this train. Thank you for riding back.
This is the train to 33rd Street. Making stops at Grove Street, Newport, Hoboken, Christopher Street, 9th Street, 14th Street, 23rd Street, and 33rd Street. The next stop is Grove Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors.